This is 3 reasons why you should choose Reman. Sustainability. By restoring worn parts, a lot of energy and resources can be saved. Only a small number of engine components need to be completely replaced. This means that our engine remanufacturing produces up to 56% less CO2 emissions compared to producing a new engine. So, while minimizing environmental impact, you maximize efficiency. Availability. While a new engine needs to be ordered and produced, a Reman engine is kept in stock, in most cases available for next-day shipping, resulting in less downtime and more savings for you. Equal quality. A common myth is that a Reman product is not as good as a new one. In fact, a Reman product is fully restored, all components verified to achieve the same quality and reliability as new. Thanks to this and comprehensive testing, a Reman product comes with the same warranty. So the only difference you will notice is the money you save.